Meaning of graphite.
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 Graphite. Graphite is a naturally occurring mineral composed of carbon atoms arranged in a hexagonal lattice. It has excellent thermal and electrical conductivity, and it is commonly used as a lubricant and as a material for electrodes in batteries and nuclear reactors. Graphite is also used in the production of refractory materials, brake linings, and foundry facings. In its purest form, graphite is a soft, dark gray substance that leaves marks on paper and is commonly used for drawing and writing. Overall, graphite is a versatile material with a wide range of industrial and artistic applications.